Welcome to the second lesson of the Ndebele grammar series for beginners. I want to teach you today how to ask the question Ulobani and how to answer it. My name is Ndebele. Let's begin. So the question Ulobani means whom are you with? Okay. So, but if you want to, you can also say Ulobani konapo to mean whom are you with there, right? So konapo means there or over there, all right? So you can use these questions to ask. So when you're answering this question now, you're always going to start with Nilo, okay? And then you put the name of the person that you're with. Let's get into examples of that. So in lesson 1, I taught you some of the words that we use to refer to people in Ndebele. For example, mother, father, grandma, friend. Okay, you can refer to lesson 1 if you didn't see it. So, how would you say I'm with mom? Considering that mom is called umama. You're going to say Nilo mama. Okay, Nilo mama. And then how about I'm with daddy? Nilo baba. That's how you answer it. Nilo baba. All right. We also know the word for grandmother, which is ugogo, right? So how can you say I am with grandma? Nilo gogo. Okay? And then grandpa? Nilo khulu. Okay, so this is the simpler way of answering the question. Ulobani. So, we move on. The word for a brother in Ndebele is called umnewethu. Okay, if you want to say my brother, you say umnewethu. And then my sister is called udadewethu. Okay, so let's use those two words again to answer the same question, ulobani. Okay, but this time we're saying ulobani konapo. You want to say I'm with my sister? Nilo dadewethu. Okay. Nilo dadewethu lapha is what then says I'm with my sister here. Okay. And what about brother? Nilo mnewethu lapha. That's how you go about it. Okay. Do you remember the word for friend in Ndebele? Umngani. Angithi umngani. So you're with your friend and I ask you, ulobani konapo. How do you answer it? How do you answer saying, I'm with a friend? Nilomngani. Okay? What about I'm with my friend? We're specifying the my there. Nilomngani wami. That's how you say it. Okay? Let's practice using names. How will you say I'm with Ayanda? Nilo Ayanda. Always you're going to say Nilo. Okay. What about I'm with Paul here? Nilo Paul lapha. Don't forget lapha if you want to specify that I'm with Paul here. All right. And so that's it. That's all I have for you in this lesson. And I'm going to leave you with a question that you can answer, and you can put your answer in the comments below. All right. So I need you to say in Ndebele, I'm with my grandfather here. Okay. Don't forget don't forget here in your answer. All right. Let's meet again in the next lesson. Bye.